Alright guys, I'm back. This drone looks pretty cool. It has one of those standard little batteries that goes in there. I'm not sure about micro SD cards at this point, but it has very interesting blades, and they have three. Usually the ones that I've flown have two on the propellers, but these are tri, so that's interesting. I'll see how that does. It's another FPV drone, so it's got a nice camera up there in the front. And let's check out the remote control here. So, looks pretty standard. Doesn't feel too cheap, but looks like it's missing the thingies on here. Maybe they're in here in the back. I like that it doesn't have the screw. That's kind of annoying. Okay, so 4 double AA batteries go in there, and I guess this thing here is for this weird clippy thing here. I think this is supposed to hold onto your phone, and you connect it up like this so that you can put your phone up here, I would imagine. You can clip your phone on there, and I guess that's how you're gonna do the FPV flying. It has a bunch of buttons that I have no idea what they do, and so that's where we are right now. And yeah, that's all I've got for you guys right now, and as I learn more I will make another video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.